It's the start of the competition. We will see how the riders struggle at the beginning of today's meeting. From the inner curve as follows: Niels Christian Iversen, wildcard, Jarek Hampel, and close to the safety fence, Nicky Pedersen. Tape rise, a dangerous situation. Niels Christian Iversen is off. From the inner curve as follows: wildcard, Jarek Hampel, Nicky Pedersen. Start. It could end up badly. Shoulder to shoulder from the start. Nicky Pedersen overtakes. Nicky Pedersen last. Elbow to elbow. Wildcard has let himself be cheated by his rivals. First, Jarek Hampel. Nicky Pedersen last. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Jarek Hampel, right behind, wildcard. There's no party at all. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, Jarek Hampel. Entering the crucial last bend. Jarek Hampel wins. Nicky Pedersen drops into last place. A race to forget. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. From the inner curve as follows: Thomas H. Jonasson, Matty Zegar, Jason Doyle, and close to the safety fence, Jarek Hampel. The tapes rise. A dangerous situation. An even start for the pack. Matty Zegar comes in front. Jarek Hampel bringing up the rear. Jason Doyle overtakes. Jason Doyle drops into last place. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Matty Zegar lost a place. Jason Doyle drops into last place. The situation changes instantly. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, Jarek Hampel. Entering the last bend. Jarek Hampel wins! It was a fascinating race. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. At the gates, red, Jarek Hampel. Blue helmet, Andreas Jonsson. White, Matsej Janowski. Yellow, Michael Jepsen Jensen. Start. A dangerous situation. An even start for the pack. Michael Jepsen Jensen drops into last place. Michael Jepsen Jensen last. Andreas Jonsson has let himself be cheated by his rivals. Matsej Janowski drops into last place. First, Michael Jepsen Jensen lost a place. Matsej Janowski bringing up the rear. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Andreas Jonsson. Andreas Jonsson takes the lead. The situation changes instantly. Michael Jepsen Jensen lost a place. First, Jarek Hampel. Entering the last bend. Jarek Hampel is in a class of his own. Well worth it. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. Ty Woffenden, blue helmet. Jarek Hampel, white. Troy Batchelor, yellow. Greg Hancock. Tapes go up. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. Troy Batchelor is overtaken. First, Greg Hancock. A dangerous situation. Ty Woffenden, last. Greg Hancock has let himself be cheated by his rivals. Greg Hancock is overtaken. Troy Batchelor drops into last place. Jarek Hampel touches the air fence. First, Jarek Hampel. Troy Batchelor last. What a thrilling moment. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, Jarek Hampel. Jarek Hampel touches the air fence, entering the last bend. Jarek Hampel wheelies over the finish line. Well worth it. It's the last session of the regular part of the meeting. Gates. Red, Christoph Kasperzak. Blue helmet, Chris Harris. White, Chris Holder. Yellow, Jarek Hampel. Take off. It could end up badly. An even start for the pack. Chris Holder takes the lead. A dangerous situation. Christoph Kasperzak bringing up the rear. Chris Harris lost a place. It could end up badly. Chris Holder has let himself be cheated by his rivals. Christoph Kasperzak bringing up the rear. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Jarek Hampel, close on his tail. Chris Holder. Christoph Kasperzak bringing up the rear. The situation changes instantly. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Christoph Kasperzak is still in fourth place. Entering the crucial last bend. Jarek Hampel wins. It was a fascinating race. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. Red, Greg Hancock. Blue helmet, Jarek Hampel. White, Chris Holder. Yellow, Nicky Pedersen. The tapes rise. It could end up badly. An even start for the pack. It could end up badly. First, Greg Hancock. Nicky Pedersen. Jarek Hampel takes the lead. Nicky Pedersen drops into last place. Nicky Pedersen overtakes. Greg Hancock bringing up the rear. Elbow to elbow. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Jarek Hampel. Close on Chris Holder takes the lead. Greg Hancock last. What a thrilling moment. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, Chris Holder. Chris Holder has let himself be cheated by his rivals. Entering the last bend. Jarek Hampel is in a class of his own. Well worth it. There are 2 places left. Who will get them? As follows: Ty Woffenden, Andreas Jonsson, Jarek Hampel, and close to the safety fence, Chris Holder. take off. A dangerous situation. An even start for the pack. Time Offenden drops into last place. It could end up badly. Time Chris Holder lost a place. Andreas Johnson is overtaken. Andreas Johnson is overtaken. First, Hampel. Time Offenden last. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Hampel. Close on his tail, Andreas Johnson. What a thrilling moment. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Time Offenden is way behind his rivals. Hampel touches the air fence. Hampel taking the checkered flag, entering the crucial last bend. Hampel is in a class of his own. What a wonderful slice of action. Hampel wins today's round. Apart from the world champion, we've got Andreas Johnson and Chris Holder.